Basic concepts of artificial intelligence AI. Artificial intelligence AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It enables systems to perform tasks like reasoning, learning, and decision making that typically require human cognition. Key concepts. First, definition. AI mimics human cognitive functions like learning, reasoning, and problem solving. Second, types of AI. Narrow AI focuses on specific tasks. Then, general AI refers to hypothetical human like intelligence. And finally, superintelligence represents intelligence beyond human capabilities. Third, applications. AI is used in healthcare, finance, e commerce, and more to automate tasks and improve decision making. The necessity of learning AI. AI is revolutionizing industries and creating demand for skilled professionals who can implement and innovate with AI technologies. Why learn AI? First, job opportunities. AI related roles are among the most in demand globally. Second, problem solving. AI enhances efficiency by automating repetitive tasks and providing data driven solutions. Third, future preparedness. Understanding AI ensures readiness for technological advancements and disruptions. What is intelligence? Intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge to solve problems and adapt to new situations. Key components. First, learning. It means gaining knowledge through experience. Second, reasoning. It means making logical decisions. Third, adaptability. It refers to adjusting to new environments. Fourth, perception. It means understanding surroundings using sensory data. Now let's understand human versus artificial intelligence. Human intelligence involves emotions and abstract thinking, whereas AI focuses on specific tasks using algorithms and data. Moving on, what's involved in AI? Developing AI involves integrating data, algorithms, and tools to create intelligent systems. Core components. First, data. It is the foundation for training AI models. Second, algorithms. These are processes for pattern recognition and decision making. Third, tools. Python libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Processes in AI development. These are first, data collection, second, data pre-processing, third, model training and evaluation, fourth, deployment. Now let's move forward to applications of AI. AI applications are transforming industries and solving real world problems. Key applications are first, healthcare. Examples include disease diagnosis, drug discovery. Second, finance. Applications cover fraud detection, stock predictions. Third, retail. It involves personalized recommendations. Fourth, transportation. Examples are autonomous vehicles, traffic management. Lastly, education. It includes adaptive learning platforms. Why Python for AI? Python's simplicity, versatility, and extensive library support make it the preferred language for AI development. Now let's look at some advantages of Python. First, it is easy to learn and use. Second, it involves wide range of AI focused libraries such as NumPy, TensorFlow, and so on. Third, it has strong community support and documentation. Lastly, it provides cross-platform compatibility. Installing Python and setting up path. Steps to install Python. First, download Python from python.org. Second, run the installer and check Add Python to Path during installation. Now let's look at setting path manually. First, Windows. Add Python's directory to the system's path environment variable. Second, for Mac OS or Linux, update the .bashrc or .zshrc file to include Python's path. Verify installation. Run Python -- version in the terminal to confirm the installation. Running Python scripts. Let's look at methods to run scripts. First, command line. Save your script as script_name.py, that is script_name.py. Second, run it using Python script_name.py, that is script_name.py. Secondly, using an IDE. Write and execute Python code in IDEs like PyCharm or VS Code. Third, interactive Python shell. Test code snippets directly in the Python shell. Fourth, Jupyter Notebook. Ideal for interactive coding and data analysis. Install using pip install notebook and run using Jupyter Notebook.